Hey everyone, so I wanted to play around with a new Wet n Wild palette that I got at Walmart the other day. I don't have any makeup on, and I just want to say to my subscribers that are here for the nail art, I want to start doing nail polish, nail art, and beauty videos on my channel. So I'm not an amazing makeup artist. I will never be an amazing makeup artist. So these three looks that I'm going to be doing is with the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air. This is just a stunning palette. Probably should be better if I hold this. By Wet n Wild. There's a glare. This is just a gorgeous palette. And supposedly it's a dupe for a higher end palette. I'll leave the name of that palette that it's a dupe for down below. But I wanted to do 3 easy looks with this palette. I'm all about easy, quick washes of color on my eyelids because I just don't have time for very long tutorials. There was a bug. Or not tutorials, but looks. I have 2 kids. I don't have a lot of time to sit around playing with tons of makeup, and when I do my nail stuff, I usually do it at night after they're in bed, so it's like, you know, I just, whatever's quick. So I have 3 neutral and rosy looks to share with you all with this palette today. So we're going to get started with look number 1, which is going to be like a romantic rosy eye look, so stay tuned. Okay, so I am very zoomed in on my eyeball. For the first look, we're going to be using some pinker tones. I think I'm going to zoom out just a little bit because, oh, that's too far. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is prep my eyelid with this Milani eyeshadow primer. And I really like this eyeshadow primer. So let's go ahead and get our eye primed. I'm going to do both eyes, not just one eye, but and overlook my eyebrows. I overplucked them, so now I'm kind of just letting them grow back in. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is set our whole eyelid with this, with this creamy white shade right here. And I just have a large brush. Something happened to my brush. It's all, I don't know if you can see that, but like the bristles are sticking out. Now, my eyelids are very strange. They're very large, but they're very deep. So I have to do things a bit differently with my eyeshadows. Because my eyelids are large, I have to focus a lot of the blending and everything onto the eyelid, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. I'm going to go in with this mauve color right here. It's kind of like a pinky color. My camera's not picking it up, but I'm going to go in with that color. this eye without, this eye with. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a deeper shade. I'm going to go in with this pinky shade right here, and I'm just going to work that onto the outer part of my lid and into the crease just to deepen it up a bit. I want kind of like a berry look, so let's go ahead and do that. If you can see that. And I'm going to take my my blending brush. I was using my Ego Tools blending brush and just blend everything out. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then blend it out. And I'm just going to speed through me doing the other eye. Okay, so there's that so far. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous, I'm going to show it right here, this gorgeous gold-ish shade, and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to pat this kind of just like through here. Ooh, that is super duper opaque. I kind of want it to blend in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and conceal and put on my foundation, and then I will be right back to do the lower lash line, apply my eyeliner and mascara. So I'll be right back for that. Okay, so now that I have my concealer and everything under my eye done, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out some of these colors on my lash line, my lower lash line. And then I'm going to put on eyeliner and mascara, and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I have my look done, and I'm just going to get close so you can see the finished result. I don't know if the camera's focusing or not. And also I'm going to share a picture of the finished look. Everything that I'm wearing will be down below, what's on my face. But yes, I'm dressed casually. I'm just staying at home. And sometimes I just like to play around with makeup just to have fun. And I just realized I still had concealer on the back of my hand and I got it all over my pants. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really easy to do and the shadows are just amazing. They blend seamlessly, so you should definitely go out and get this palette. It was only like $5 at Walmart, so yeah. Thank you all for watching, and this is like my first makeup tutorial, so yeah, I know my brows aren't filled in. I am seriously still waiting on them to grow in so I can repluck them and do it all properly, blah. But I will see you all soon. Thanks for watching.